Hello guys, my name is Rupak Rao and you are watching Crazy Masale YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about two latest version mobile phones that has come to market in last 2 days, that is Poco X3 and Realme Narzo 20 Pro. First I will share with you the information of Poco X3, that is key specifications of Poco X3 and as well as Narzo 20 Pro. Let's start guys. When we come to Poco X3, the display of Poco X3 offers a 6.67-inch display, that is quite good, and Realme Narzo 20 Pro also offers 6.65-inch display, that is quite similar, but Poco X3 price is little bit higher than Realme Narzo 20 Pro. Poco X3 has a price of 16,999 and you will get Realme Narzo 20 Pro in 14,999. That is 2,000 price gapping between these two phones. But when we come to processor, there is a big difference, that is Poco X3 has Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor and Realme Narzo 20 Pro offers to you, that is MediaTek Helio G95 processor. Here is a big difference. And if we look into front camera, that is Poco X3 has 20 megapixel of front camera and Realme Narzo 20 Pro has 16 megapixel of front camera. Poco X3 is better than Realme Narzo 20 Pro if you look into front camera aspect, and rear camera is also in Poco X3 little bit better than Realme Narzo 20 Pro. That is Poco X3 has a rear camera of 64 megapixel, 13 megapixel, 2 megapixel, 2 megapixel, and Realme Narzo 20 Pro offers 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel. That is quad cam. And RAM, if we look into the RAM, that is a very important part of mobile. When you look into a mobile, you first look into the RAM capacity, that is Poco X3 and Realme Narzo 20 Pro both have 6 GB of RAM. And if we talk about the storage, internal storage, both mobile phones have 64 GB of storage. And battery capacity, battery capacity is very important for mobile, uh, because when you goes out from home, then if your phone gets low battery, you feel very irritated, and more or less battery capacity is very important. And battery capacity is Poco X3 is has 6000 milliampere battery and Realme Narzo 20 Pro offers you 4500 milliampere battery. In this aspect also Poco X3 exceeds Realme Narzo 20 Pro. That is Poco X3 is better, little bit better than Realme Narzo 20 Pro. And if you look into operating system, both the mobile phones offer you Android 10, Android 10 operating system. And resolution is in Poco X3 you will get 1080 into 2340 megapixels, and Realme Narzo 20 Pro offers you 1080 into to 2400 pixels of battery resolution, sorry for the mistake. And in general, in Poco X3 you will get a brand of Poco, and in Realme Narzo 20 Pro you will get a brand of Realme. If we talk about model, Poco X3 is model of Poco X3 and it is Narzo 20 Pro for Realme Narzo 20 Pro. And release date, Poco X3 releases one day after than Realme Narzo 20 Pro. Poco X3 releases in India on 22nd September 2020 and Realme Narzo 20 Pro releases on 21st September 2020. Both are more or less same. You can say same date. Launches is India. Both have launched in India. Yes. Both mobiles have already launched in India. Form factor, both have touch screen. You can see both have touch screen. And dimensions, there is a little bit difference in dimension. uh, if we talk about Poco X3, it has 165 into 76.80 into 9.40 dimension millimeter, and Realme Narzo 20 Pro have 168.30 into 75.40 into 9.40 millimeter of dimension. And if we comes to weight, Poco X3 is little bit heavier than Realme Narzo 20 Pro. That is, if you prefer a lighter phone, you have to go with Realme Narzo 20 Pro. That is Realme Narzo 20 Pro is 191.00 grams, whereas Poco X3 is 215 grams. That is more or less same, but Poco X3 is 20 grams 20 grams heavier than Realme Narzo 20 Pro, and battery capacity is same. I have talked about it earlier. And fast charging, both have fast charging. Colors, if we talk about color, Poco X3 offers you two colors, that is cobalt blue and shadow gray, and Realme Narzo 20 Pro offers black ninja and white night. Display, I talked about it. But protection type, if you like a greater protection, you have to go with Gorilla Glass. That is Poco X3. Poco X3 offers you Gorilla Glass, but in Realme Narzo 20 Pro, no Gorilla Glass. Aspect is ratio. If you talk about aspect ratio, Poco X3 have don't any specific aspect ratio, but Realme Narzo 20 Pro have a specific aspect ratio, that is 20:9. Hardware, if you come to hardware, Poco X3 is octa-core and Realme Narzo 20 Pro also octa-core. That is, both the mobiles offers you octa-core processor. That is same. Processor is different. That is, Poco X3 offers you Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G and Realme Narzo 20 Pro offers you MediaTek Helio G95 processor. Expandable storage. If you want to expand your storage, both the mobile phones have a option to expand the storage. That is, both the mobile phones support micro SD card. That is same. Expandable storage up to GB. If you look into Realme Narzo 20 Pro, that is 256 GB expandable storage. Camera, if you look into rear camera of Poco X3, it has 64 megapixel plus 13 megapixel f 2.2, 64 megapixel is f1.73 and 2 megapixel is f2.4, 2 megapixel is 2.4. And Realme Narzo 20 Pro quad cam offers you 48 megapixel which captures in f1.8 and 8 megapixel which captures photo in f2.3 and 2 megapixel f2.4 and 2 megapixel in 2.4. In this aspect, both the cameras are good camera, but in my view, Poco X3's camera is little bit better than Realme Narzo 20 Pro. If you say why, that is rear camera is 64 plus 13 plus 2 plus 2, whereas Realme Narzo 20 Pro 48 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2. Rear autofocus, yes, the Poco X3 has rear autofocus, but Realme Narzo 20 Pro no rear autofocus. Rear plus Poco X3 offers rear plus, but Realme Narzo 20 Pro don't offer a rear plus. Front camera 2060. Here also 2016. Here also Poco X3 is better than Realme Narzo 20 Pro. Pop-up camera, no. No pop-up camera in Poco X3 and Realme Narzo 20 Pro. Software operating system is same. Skin connectivity Wi-Fi. Both the mobiles have Wi-Fi connectivity and GPS. Both the mobiles have GPS. Bluetooth. Both the mobile phones has Bluetooth. NFC. Poco X3 has NFC. Here is the advantage, but Realme 20 Pro don't have any NFC. Infrared, yes, Poco X3 have infrared, but here no infrared in Realme Narzo 20 Pro. USB Type C, yes, both the mobile phones have Type C charging USB. And headphones 3.5 mm, both the mobile phones are same headphones 3.5 mm. Number of SIM cards 2 same. Wi-Fi standards supported. Poco X3 not no specification here, and Realme Narzo 20 Pro has a specification. You can see it in your screen. SIM 1 SIM, both the SIMs are nano SIM. Both the mobile phones are same. 3G, yes. 4G, yes. Both the mobile phones are 4G. SIM 2 4G. Sensors, if we come to sensor, here we can see fingerprint sensor. Both have fingerprint sensor, that is quite good. And proximity sensor, both the mobile phones have proximity sensor. Accelerometer, both the mobile phones have accelerometer, yes. Ambient light sensor, yes, both the mobile phones have ambient light sensor. Face unlock, when we come to face unlock, here Realme Narzo 20 Pro is little bit updated than Poco X3. As we all know that Realme is a good brand and well known brand, they have that facility of face unlock, but Poco X3 does not support face unlock. Compass magnetometer, Poco X3 have no compass magnetometer, but Realme Narzo 20 Pro have compass magnetometer. So at last we came to a conclusion that if I suggest you, as per my view, Poco X3 is little bit better than Realme Narzo 20 Pro. If we come to price, Poco X3 is little bit higher in price, that is only 2000 rupees. Only 2000 rupees difference between these phones. but Poco X3 has a great processor and camera. If you show the all differences between these phones, you will see in display Poco X3 is better, little bit better, and processor is great processor, front camera is better, rear camera is better. So when we, and battery capacity, that is very important point, battery capacity is better, resolution is high, is same, more or less same. So I will suggest you, I will go for Poco X3. If you give the choice to me, I will choose Poco X3 over Realme Narzo 20 Pro. But both the phones are good phones. If you want to be with Realme, if you are a Realme fan, you can go with Realme Narzo 20 Pro. It is also a good phone. Thank you watching. Thank you for watching. Good night.